Go for it. It is. Roger, do you have my 60s? Say again?
Today is August 2nd.
Do you have my 60 mortars?
Right now we're in the town of Fosbach. We have a firefight.
Roger, there's IDF impacting on this side of the ridgeline. Hey, my position's taking rounds right now. Murray's got eyes on him. We're going to fire. And be advised, to the east of the village, there's about 5 guys, all in dark, walking across the riverbed, egressing out of the village. Hey, Blue, did you copy that? Say again? Riverbed, due south of the Ville. There are 5 guys egressing, and I have 5 more on the hillside directly south of the Ville. Roger. They are all in the open, clearly identifiable. It's all copy. They're running. Roger. Are you still taking fire from the opposite Ville on that hill? Roger, we're taking sporadic ineffective.
Smoke. Yeah, hold on. They got to mark our trace so air doesn't fucking bomb us.
There's a guy standing behind that damn tree right there. Come in, mark it. Yeah, mark it for me. He just moved behind the ridgeline. Oh, rush that. That's where we saw the guys go earlier. Yeah, there's been a few more pushing across the bed. Yeah, I'd say they've probably got at least 8 guys there now. How's y'all? Can you give me a description for this?
Yeah, there's 5 guys behind that.
Roger, do you remember when we saw the guy observing us, that ridge that he went behind? Yeah, I saw a guy. He headed more up the mountain. He's like following that wash all the way up it. Roger, yeah, that's where we're shooting at, and also we've seen guys that... Jesse! Yeah? I've been planning for another assault. What, the enemy? Yeah. From where?
Hey, about 10 mics ago, we had about 10 guys egressing to the southeast of the village in the riverbed on the other side of the Ville.
Okay. On that side of the Ville, bro?
Yeah.
Hang on, helmet slide. Over there, where you dropped on that?
Yeah, stand by.
Hey, bro. Yeah, go ahead. Stop moving down there. Stop fucking moving. Go ahead. Oh, just on the top of the wall. Right, middle. Right, to the middle. Get on, man. Yeah. Remember, you know, fucking right.
like 2 mils, you'll be good. Yeah. It's about 1,065 out. Yeah. You wouldn't hurt to take a couple more in that fucking building, because they're inside there, dude. What's that? They're inside that building. It wouldn't hurt to take a couple more in there. The place one right, you can place that down. Yeah, they said close door, 1,065. Hey, go ahead. I'm going to dump the bomb here in a second.
To be advised, in addition to the water, we're bringing a few drums of saw, and I got 5 each.
No, I've got Jesse.
Either all my guys are good. I got 5 mags left, but I refilled my HDP for more stuff.
Where they dropping it at? Yeah, hey, they're short. They're off by like 600 meters. I don't know, but they're way off. You can get a picture of that area. It's up. We're taking that. Hey, you get a picture of that guy laying there, did you? Not a close-up picture. Yeah, and an hour before we push out here, can we use your truck to screen us over there and fucking get him? And get a picture of him? Well, what do you think, buddy? We're fucking up your town now. Hey, who's down there on that wall? Is that Marsaw? No, it's AFP. Oh, yeah, I think it's a Marsaw guy. He's on the inside over there. Sure. Help me. See the movement? Yeah, right there. Yeah, out there. You see him? Yeah. Yeah, we got him. You see them? Yeah, they're egressing south. Hey, our guys are mark the splashes. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go, right there. Hey, they're hitting too high. You gotta drop it. You're still hitting high. Now he's hiding. Yeah. Yeah, there's a Marine aim. There we go. Yeah, that's one of our guys. Does it look like our Kevlar? Yeah, it's one of our guys. Yeah, what's one of our guys? It's probably Terry, quite honestly. I think it is Terry. Fucking Terry. Guy can wait to sleep. Are they just going up in the mountains? Or? Looks like they're egressing. Yeah, they're still in that wadi, man. They're staying low. Where they're at, though. Yeah, that bomb needs to go freaking good 600 meters up the mountain. Where was that from? I don't even know what the fuck that was. I don't know what that was. Mortar? Yeah, there still could be people in this field.